Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to hard reset a Panasonic microwave. Now in this case, you might have a Panasonic microwave here and you're wondering how to exactly reset it. So you might want to reset this because of some problem that you encounter here, and sometimes just resetting it can solve a lot of issues. So in this case, the first thing you want to do is you want to unplug the microwave from the wall outlet. So you just want to remove the power from it. So this is an important first step here to ensure the reset works properly. Now after a moment here, you want to plug the microwave back into the power outlet, and once it's plugged in, press the stop or reset button that you see here at the front. Now in this case, you want to press this just once to begin the reset process. Now you want to go ahead and open up the door of your microwave. So just open up the door here, and from then on, you wanna go ahead and press and hold the start button for about 2 seconds until you hear the microwave beep. Now after the beep, press the stop and reset button 3 times in quick succession again. Now in this case, the microwave display should now show end. Now to finish this, you want to go ahead and press the stop and reset button again one last time to clear everything out and complete the initialization process. And that's it. So this one is pretty simple. Just follow the steps and you should be good. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.